Market Maker's secrets. Trade smart. Trade with an edge.
There is a substantial amount of risk involved in trading currencies and CFDs, and the possibility exists that you can lose all, most, or a portion of your capital. We at Market Maker Secrets cannot and will not assess or guarantee the suitability or profitability of any particular investment or the potential value of any investment or informational source. The securities mentioned in this video may not be suitable for all traders or investors. The information provided here, including but not limited to its opinion and analysis, is based on financial models and statistics believed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed, represented, or warranted to be accurate or complete. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial advice. It's general in nature and is not specific to anyone. Market Maker Secrets Copyrights 2024. All rights reserved. Terms and conditions apply.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to all our online social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, and YouTube for more amazing trading and educational contents. If you have any questions, complaints, or suggestions, do not hesitate to contact us directly on both Telegram and WhatsApp. Anytime, 24 hours, a day, 7 days a week.
Okay, welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. It's your host Muloko_MMS. So let's get back at it. Right now we're gonna talk about the euro dollar. Remember, we had bought the euro dollar last week around this area here on the scenario one. So but then I figured, you know what, because there's also quite, you know, a level that has been really reached by the market makers, or if I can put it like that, because from the anchor point here I noticed this level 1 correction, there's level 2 correction, so I was expecting that level 3 to be forming up, you understand. But then today I did a little, you know, redrawing and rearranging of my charts. So when I looked at it, I figured, you know what, this is actually our stop and high for the week. So if it's gonna go up, you're gonna have to buy the reversal of the end of the week, understand. So now we're gonna just let it fall. So in actual fact, the euro dollar, we should have sold it yesterday, but then long term we're gonna be buying it, if that makes sense. Medium term, weekly cycle, we got the stop and high. Today we should be getting that level 1. So it's already looking very good, because as you can see, that retest here, that there is small retracement, it has retested the previous low prices of the previous week. Let me just put that over there. You see, so I want to give you a heads up, guys. Yes, you might have been in a buy position, but then, okay, let me do this. That's our euro dollar, and then let me just open up euro dollar here. You see, so this is what had happened, understand. So if we had our stop losses below this lows, we probably stopped out. But then you're not gonna get stopped out if ever you have positions either and then goes in your favor, 30 pips, you break even. Should ever price comes back and retest our entry areas, then you let it run. Some people might have took a buy position over here. I would still that it's fine, because it's rules of the engagement. They allow us to take positions on right over here. It's an area of resistance, support, breakout, and then came back and then broke out again, support. So there is absolutely no reason to doubt that this could be a potential buy, you know, buy area. But then at the same time, you can buy, but they should also consider the fact that there might be a possible level 3 coming through from here, especially since that we got that Tuesday stop and high, and then on that 200 and 800 moving average crossover bounce. You see, this remember, moving averages are dynamic support and resistance. So this crossover 200 and 800, it speaks volumes, ladies and gentlemen. So you need to be aware. So I'm convinced that this is just a retracement to retest the previous week's lows, and then it's gonna also proceed going south, you understand, at least until the end of the week. And then that's when we might find this setup over here. You see, that is our level 3. It's level 1 correction, level 2 correction, level 3. Understand? So here's how it looks also again. On the other hand, I want to show it to you on different angles so that you can have an idea whether you should really be buying right now or you should be selling and buying at the later during the week. You understand? Let me throw you the market maker cycle, the intra-week cycle. It is very important to do what we call a top-down analysis. This is a top-down analysis. You look at it in both ways, technically, market makers, however way that you can think of, but it should make sense, and then it should also go in line with the trend. That's all I'm gonna say. Always be trending in line with the trend. Do not be trending against the trend. Know when to trade, where are you gonna be trading, what time, like all those factors, all those quite nitty-bitty factors, those smallest of factors, that are very important. What are you trading? When are you trading? Where is it going for? How long? Where is it gonna return? Where is it likely to give you a retracement so that you can know when to be trailing your stops? Those type of things. You understand? So Monday, it's the accumulation phase of the market maker cycle. I'm gonna break it down to you so that it makes absolute sense on all levels. I don't want to make videos that are gonna be very long, so I just wanted to make them as short as possible, not anything more than 5 minutes, so that you know they can be more interesting and shorter, so that you don't catch sleep, you don't fall asleep when watching one video. Exactly. So that's how it looks. So guys, here this would be a significant level. It's a level 1. It's a level 1. There's resistance, price breakout, comes back, resistance. So that's a huge level 1 from this anchor point. This was the high price of December last year, the 28th. So this is the high price of the month where it got established. So from that high price of the month of last year's month, what we're trying to establish right now is the potential low price of the quad cycle. Quad cycle, it's a 4-month cycle. Remember, there's intraday cycle, intra-week cycle, intra-month cycle, then an intra-quad cycle. So to show you what I'm talking about, let me go to euro dollar. First things, there's an intraday cycle in here, and then this show you an intraday cycle. An ideal intraday cycle. I'm gonna show it to you what it looks like. There is not a lot of ideal market maker cycles. You see how long back I'm going right now. So let's look at this one. Actually, this one is accumulation, stop hunt, outside structure, long sustain run. It's a drop and then price comes back into consolidation. Accumulation, stop hunt high, long sustain run, and then price comes back into consolidation. Accumulation, inside structure, stop hunt, long sustain run, then price comes back into consolidation. Accumulation, stop hunt high, long sustain run, price comes back into consolidation. There's variations on it, however we can think. So it's either you're gonna get the stop hunt during the London Open, on the London Open, that's what we call London Open, or during the London session. This is during the London session, and this is London Open. So you might get it on that London Open during the London session, or probably if you don't get it on that London session, you might just get it on that New York session. The same thing that happened. The accumulation, there wasn't really much of a stop hunt, as you can see. but we did get something on that New York. This pin here symbolizes the presence of the market makers. So that's an inside structure. That's a intraday stop hand. So from intraday to intra-week, this is an intra-week stop hand. Let me show it to you. Accumulation Monday, inside structure stop hand, long sustain run. Accumulation inside structure stop hand low, and then long sustain run. So that's an intra-week, circled with this red box over here. And then 1 hour, I'm gonna show you this green box symbolizes my intra-month. So from here, it was the first week of December. As you can see, it was the 4th on Monday, and then this was the 29th of December. So you can see it's a monthly cycle: January, December, November, and then October, and so forth. So let's go to 4 hours. Excuse that. That's my monthly cycle right there. There we go. So I wanted to show you what I'm talking about with regarding the quad cycle. This is a 4-month cycle. You understand? When was this? January 2023, January, February, March, April, and then it's a four-month cycle. May, June, July, August, 4-month cycle. September, October, November, December, 4-month cycle. So right now we got from that anchor point level 1 correction, level 2 correction, level 3. So this as the initial low price of the quad cycle. As much as there could be an initial low price of the week or initial low price of the month, there's also a possible initial low price of the quad cycle. You understand? Like actually over here, when we got this low was the initial low price of the quad cycle, because we didn't know if it was going to be an actually established low price until we got that reversal patterns, and we so started to get those, and then now we start to understand that okay, this is our low price of the quad cycle, and then from then on for 3 months it's going to be going basically in the same direction. So it's exactly what we were anticipating with also the euro dollar. Once you go that level 1 correction, level 2 correction, level 3 over there, you get that buy position. You see it's our also nice godly, the same with gold. Then it should be going, let me see how many pips, 700 pips at least to the upside, but you're not gonna take go all the way. So rather our targets are here on that one, on that price there, and then also this one. So guys, please note this setups are very good, high probability setups. So I was actually talking about this because now, as we know, our long-term setup, it's actually this one here. You understand? We are going upwards, but before it goes upwards, we first need to consider the fact that it's going downwards. So yesterday we had our stop and high. On Monday rather, we had our initial high and low price. That's the Asian range of the week. Level 2 retracement. Oh, beautiful, stop and high outside structure. There's also, when you look at your left, there's also a visible sell area there. As you can see, when you look at your left, there's support, breakdown, resistance. So right now, you can clearly see There's also resistance this side, this side, this side. It's clearly a good sell, a very good one. Let me see how much risks going, how much. It's 100 pip potential going south. So it's a signal, ladies and gentlemen. So this is how you are able to make decisions, proper decisions, knowing that if you're gonna reverse your positions and say that now you're selling, it's based on an actual fact. Understand? There are rules of engagement that are in place, so that you can know when to buy, when to sell, when to change your mind, and so forth. You understand, ladies and gentlemen? So price, yes, price might just, let me just remove this, change the color of that to red. There we go. From red, let me just do this. That's a target. That's our risk. Because remember, price might just come and retrace this diagonal resistance area. So let me change that into red. I'm gonna let this show on 1 hour, 4 hours, daily and weekly, so that it doesn't obstruct my view. And yeah, basically that's that. So it's either it's got the price will drop here, or the price is gonna rally at least until New York, the New York session. And give us that. Let's see. So if price doesn't drop now, which is the New York Open, it's almost almost, what time is it now? It's 7:20. It's an hour just before the New York Open, the London Open. So if price doesn't instantly drop when the London opens, and then it proceeds going up, then it might just be giving us a lower price, which is actually going to be retesting the low price of that Monday. It's going to be an Asian breakout. You understand? Now it's going to be turning into an Asian breakout setup, which is going to be retesting that low price of the Asia, which is the low price of the initial low price of the week. See that initial low price of the week that was established on Monday? Yeah, price, if it's going to come back over here, it's going to be retesting that diagonal resistance and also retesting this horizontal resistance, because this whole area was a support area. So if ever we're going to be selling, now we're going to be looking at that, you know, those very small areas inside, like a 15 minutes chart or a pen. Okay, let me just do that. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to show you this so that you can know what's happening. I'm your host, Molokwa _ Market Maker Secrets. Please enjoy the video, and then do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you know, follow us on social media, on our Facebook page. It's Market Maker Secrets. So thank you, and please use proper risk and equity management. Okay, let me just save this before we exit. Today is the 24th. Thank you.